Hi. So, what? Hi to all. So we ought to discuss something now. Suppose I have given three numbers to you. So I am giving. Let me take one comma, two comma, three. Three numbers I am giving to you. How many two-digit numbers you can prepare? That I want to keep. So how many you can keep? I can make 1 2, 1 3, 2 1, 2 3, 3 1, 3 2. So six two-digit number I can prepare, right? So similarly, I am giving again three digits. This time I am asking how many fractions you can make. So how many fractions we can make? One is 3 by 4, 3 by 5, 4 by 3, 4 by 5, 5 by 3 and 5 by 4. I am asking this question without repeating. So how many fractions will get? 6 fractions. So I am calling with other name. These are I am calling 6 ratios I can get. Whatever fractions I am calling it as ratios. If you see 3, 4, 5, anything you are remembering? Yeah, I know what you remember. This is nothing but, see, I can write 3, 4, 5 as 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. It is a Pythagorean triplet, isn't it? So 3 square plus 5 square equal to Pythagorean triplet. So whenever Pythagorean triplet means we can form a right angle triangle using this. So when I make a right angle triangle, so 3, let us take this is 90 degrees. Anyway, obviously in a right angle triangle the hypotenuse is the longest side, so that is 5. Remaining two sides are 3 and 4. So this is a right angle triangle. So when you have right angle triangle, I want to know this angle. Can you say this angle? We don't know. When we don't know, we will take it as x in numbers. Now in angle, we will take it as theta. It is on Greek alphabet. We will take it as theta. So some mathematicians in ancient time they did research on the right angle triangle. So they found one interesting thing. So before that, what I want to know is if three sides are there, three right sides are there, we will get 6 ratios. If 3 sides are there, you will get 6 ratios. So let me go back with the right angle triangle. The great thing is they have taken one right angle triangle. Again they extend. Let me take one more right angle triangle. They extended. Okay. So 2 right angle triangles are there. So they did research on the right angle triangles. What they found is they have taken this ratio. We have 6 ratios. You take any particular ratio. So this side by this side and this side by this side. Let us take this is A, this is B, this is C, this total is D. So what they did research is they have taken ratio. Which ratio? AB1, BB1 ratio, C by D1 ratio. For a particular angle theta, their ratio they felt that every time they got equal. So this made them too interesting and they have done research on that. By that research, they given birth to one chapter. That chapter is nothing but trigonometry. So that is the chapter we will discuss now, trigonometry. Okay, tri means 3 gone sides, metry measurement. Tri means 3 gone sides, metry means measurement. So they discussed on the trigonometry. So what they did is they have taken one right angle triangle. I told how many ratios are possible? 6 ratios are possible because only there are 3 sides are there. So already I told we don't know, we will take it as theta. See, I am standing here and I am watching this side. When I am watching this side, so this side is opposite to me. This side is opposite to me. Where I am standing, this side I can call it as this I am adjacent side. So this side I am calling it as hypotenuse. Yes, now I told when 3, 4, 5 has taken, we will getting 6 ratios. So when take these 3 sides, I will get 6 ratios. Which ratios I will get? Opposite by hypotenuse 1 ratio, adjacent by hypotenuse 1 ratio, opposite by adjacent side 1 ratio, next hypotenuse by opposite side 1 ratio, again hypotenuse by adjacent side 1 ratio, again adjacent side by opposite side 1 ratio. So 6 ratios they got. So the ancient time when the BC they named this triangle with some name. So this they called it as sine of angle of theta. Sine of angle of theta. They named it as cosine of angle of theta. They named it as tangent of angle of theta. So they named it as cosecant of angle of theta. They named it as secant of angle of theta. They named it as cotangent of angle of theta. But in short, they abbreviated it as sin theta. This they termed it as cos theta. They termed it as tan theta. They taken it as cosecant theta. They taken it as secant theta. They taken it as cot theta. So these are the first six ratios, or we entered in the trigonometry. So how many we got? Sin theta equal the ratio between length of opposite to hypotenuse. Cos theta equal to ratio between length of adjacent side to hypotenuse. Tan theta equal to the ratio between length of opposite side to adjacent side. Remaining three also like that. So this is about trigonometric ratios. Just we have given introduction.